And God said, "Let the earth sprout vegetation, plants yielding seed and fruit trees bearing fruit in which is their seed, each according to its kind, on the earth." And it was so. Genesis 1:11. Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are you ready to turn your green thumb into some green cash? Today, I'm diving into the top 8 most profitable crops you can grow in your home market garden. Let's get started with our list. First up, we have arugula. This leafy green is super fast growing, taking just 40 days from seed to harvest. You can sell it for about $6 per pound. It's a flavorful addition to salads and a hit at farmers markets. Plus, it's so easy to grow, even your cat could do it. Next is basil. This aromatic herb matures in just 3 to 4 weeks and can fetch a whopping $50 to $60 per pound. It's a favorite in kitchens everywhere, perfect for pesto and other dishes. Plus, it grows wonderfully in containers. Cherry tomatoes are another winner. They take about 45 to 55 days from seed to harvest and can be sold for around $3.48 per pound. Choose indeterminate varieties for continuous harvest throughout the season. And remember, the only thing better than one cherry tomato is a whole bunch of them. Moving on to chive. These are low-maintenance perennials ready for harvest in 60 days from seed or just 30 days from transplant. You can sell them for $8 to $12 per pound. Just a heads up, they can be invasive, so keep an eye on them. Think of them as the party crashers of your garden. Let's talk about gourmet garlic. This variety is a chef's favorite and sells for about $16 per pound, much higher than standard garlic. It's ideal for targeting restaurants and culinary groups. And hey, it keeps the vampires away too. Then there's lavender. This beautiful plant doesn't just smell amazing, it also has high profit potential. You can get 1 acre to produce around 12,000 bouquets a year, each selling for $10. Next is microgreens. It's low maintenance and thrives in zones 5 to 9. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good bouquet of lavender? They are small but mighty. These nutrient-packed greens can be harvested in just 2 to 3 weeks and go for $20 to $50 per pound or $10 to $25 per tray. They have a short shelf life, so target local farmers markets and chefs. Just think of them as the superheroes of the vegetable world. Last but not least, we have mini lunchbox sweet peppers. They offer continuous harvest with the right care and sell for about $5 per basket. Just give them warm, slightly acidic soil and plenty of sun. And remember, good things come in small packages. So, there you have it. A diverse mix of crops to maximize your garden's profitability. Remember, combining different crops can help you keep things interesting and meet various market demands. And who knows, you might just become the next veggie mogul. Happy gardening, and may your gardens be bountiful and your harvests profitable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time. And remember, gardening is cheaper than therapy and you get tomatoes.